Here we are at Westview, Kissimmee, checking the townhomes Lennar is building. And I want to show you this is called the Amalfi floor plan. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. They are building them with block and concrete all the way up. And look, they have 2 parking spaces and 1 car garage. This is the main door. It has like a dining room or flex space that could also be used for an office right here. And as you walk in, you have to your right a door to the garage, the open floor plan. Construction is going on a full steam back there. Take a look at here, so much natural light. And this is the kitchen. This one has the white cabinets, very nice countertops. There is a bathroom here, and these are the stairs for the 2nd floor. And here we are coming upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms. This is one of them. Another one. And the bathroom for those 2 bedrooms is right here. As we continue here, we go to the main bedroom, which you will see it's very, very spacious. Nice, they call it tray ceilings. And look at the bathroom. It has a very nice shower. You can see the floor too, it's the same one. White cabinets, double sink, and the toilet has its own room. And then we go back out, and let me show you also the closet, which is very spacious as well.